Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about art, but not the art that we are used to. It's much more rustic art made with organic elements. In these days that I am much more at home, my DIY heart really wants to make me want to do things. But I don't know how about you, I don't even want to shop online because I always think about people that are working and they are in danger with their life. So in these days, I really want to use only what I have here in my house. It was a long time that I had seen this picture on Pinterest, and actually I thought that it was the perfect moment to realize it because I had just to find branches and I have a big garden and wood and I had a spare pallet to use.
I want to find some branches and this tree in my garden lost some, so I'm gonna use them. I'm trying to sort out what type of wood I will need, and I'm planning to sand everything down like in a really rough way. The more crusty dusty, the better it is. I have to deal with these nails. I was actually planning to remove them, but it's so long process that maybe I'm gonna nail everything down. You know what? My hammer is broken. So I have only one way. A small pause to the program because I have someone to cuddle. I have to remove the nails. I remember actually it from my father. You have to take the nail and like turn it in a side. You know what? It's much easier to work with a broken hammer. The nails are so rusty that they break. I don't know. Let me see. Take two. This is gonna end so badly. I'm totally sure about it. Yes, much easier. Oh my god. Don't turn, do not. Okay. We're gonna lay it down flat. I'm showing you the current situation. Some of them I managed to put in the wood, some other I removed. Sorry for my nails. Now I'm gonna sand everything down. I use this for a backsplash for some paint, and I am gonna sand down so that the wood will come back to life. After having a hard time trying to remove every single nail and sanding down every piece of wood, I remember that I could use some wood that was ready to be used. Repurposing Girl is my surname. We are gonna demolish the arch of love of my wedding because actually these leaves are becoming really washed out and I have no idea of how else I can use this arch of love, so we're gonna repurpose it. If you don't remember this video, the card is up here to check it. Hi Odin, do you wanna help me? Yes? It has been raining for 3 days in a row and today is not the best day, but I really want to keep going on with this DIY. So I sorted out. Here I have the long piece and here I have the smaller piece. I'm gonna cut to the side 4 of the long one and 4 of the short one, and we're gonna start. I am taking the smaller piece of the long ones as model to cut the others, and I'm gonna cut with the handsaw really professionally. 1 foot here, then I'm gonna start. Oh, The more crusty dusty, the better it is. I don't know if I will be able to explain you what I want to do, but I'm gonna tell you right now. Basically, we will have a base, then I'm gonna cut something like half, and then one at the top. I'm gonna use this branch and this branch as a support. So I have to see how long to make the lateral pieces. I will look and I will manage to find the right dimension. Something like this. Sounds good. Got some help at this point. My project is to create the two cages, the two frames, and then I'm gonna play with the branches inside. Right, Odin?
Yes? Do you agree? Do you agree?
Pre-drill. Dun, tururun, dun, 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 dun. One is done, ready to go. Let's go to make the second frame. Okay, Odin, now we have the most difficult part. Come with me, I will show you. So basically I tried to place, oh my god, so small. I tried to place my first frame, and these are the places where I should cut. Wish me luck. And I am gonna make marks with a chalk. Okay guys, I rearranged the branches. I really think that this is better, and just remember that at the back you will have wall. So if the branch is curving, it has to curve up, not down. Otherwise, you're gonna dig into the wall. Yay! It's kind of working. This will be here. Yes! Okay, let's proceed fixing the first branch and then we keep going on with the second. And to secure the pieces of wood, we're using some screws. That's it. And now the moment of truth. Oh, yes. Like this. Perfect. And now comes the most important part for this DIY. For the second frame, you actually have to use the leftovers of the branches that you used on the first frame, and you have to place it exactly above them. So you will have the branches, and then you will have a gap, and again the same branches that will keep going on. So you give the illusion that the branches could go through emptiness. Okay, so this will be the general idea. I found the perfect place to use my DIY. It's a Greek taverna and is decorated in a rustic way. I already worked in the same taverna, so one day I will show you the complete makeover, but for today we're gonna tackle only one wall. To hang the two frames, we used small L-shaped brackets. And if you have the same problem that I had, wait, I really suggest you to use walnut tree branches because they are super light. In the wall composition, you are gonna see also a clock that I did previously in another DIY. If you wanna check it out, click the card here up. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like. And if you want to support the Saranana channel, please subscribe. Is the red button down there. See you in the next one. Bye!